I'm going to start this wiper blade tutorial with the rear blade on this '06 Dodge Grand Caravan. Most modern blades are going to be a J-hook, which means I'll show you once this is off. But usually there's a tab that you're going to press down, and that is going to unlock the blade. On the old blade here, there is a tab inside. Just slide it backwards. In the new blade, actually, yeah, the new blade. Here I am having trouble. Yeah, so the new blade's just going to do the same thing. It's going to snap up into place. This one has two little ears, which being a rear blade that this doesn't come out very far, it's going to make it a little hard to change in the future. Now let's go to the front. Now this '06 Grand Caravan has two 28-inch wiper blades that go in towards the inside of the windshield. Let me make sure this is actually in the shot. It was not. They're going to operate the same way. Most, I'd say most, but not all cars are going to come, at least on in the U.S., they're going to come from the driver's side and go up like this. These ones, they go like this. This one here, remember the tab or the clips I was talking about that go across the end of the hook? This one has that setup. This old blade did, and so does this new blade. These are just Bosch micro edge blades. I'll see if I can put a link in the description for these. These old ones were Rain-X, or at least that one was. This one seems to be unbranded, but looks a lot like that Rain-X blade. This one here, I didn't realize was actually crushed. So that's actually a good thing I'm replacing them. I just wanted to replace them because they are, you know, it's a normal maintenance item, and I'm giving this car to somebody, and I wanted to make sure that they have the best possible start to having the car. I just found out that I don't need to do a repair that I thought I was going to do. Even though I bought the parts, I might still do it. I don't know. Probably not if I don't have to. But I just found out I don't need to do wheel bearings on this van. But yeah, so there really isn't much to it. There are other manufacturers that have different styles that I can't demonstrate right now. Like my Silverado right behind me, that has a different style blade. In fact, I need to go get a funnel because I'm about to do an oil change on this, but that's not going to be filmed because I've done plenty of other oil change videos, so, and there's other ones that are better than mine out there. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for, if you want to see more tutorials like this, let me know. I can try to oblige, as well as if you like, comment, and subscribe, that will help, and you will see any future videos I do. So thanks for watching, have a blessed day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.